Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create FPV drone shots, which you have seen recently in the AI trends as well. Let me play it for you guys, what we are going to create. Then we are going to start from scratch. Also, I'm going to provide you a 10 prompt library of drone shots, which you can use on any of your footage. So just check the link in the description. You will get all the 10 prompts, video prompts of the drone. Let's just play the footage here. Now this is using Omni Flash of Google. So you need to have a pro account of Google. But if you are in India, you can get it for free for 18 months if you are having a Geo card. So just get a Geo card and you can get it for free. Now let me show you the second as well. So this is the second shot. Now you can see the transition here. So we can basically cut it out, but you can see this is looking really good. And let me just play you the third one as well. So let me just play it for you guys. So you can see this is the third one. And then there is a fourth one as well, which I have created, like basically doing this arrow thing, pointing in how. And I'm going to, if you want to learn this technique of the arrow and camera follow, just let me know in the comments and I will create a video for it. Now let's just start here. So I have gone to Chat GPT and here I have given a prompt. Give me detailed Nano Banana 2 prompt to generate aerial images of Indian monument, Mumbai city at night and futuristic city. So this has given me this prompt here. So let's just copy this prompt. Let's do Control C here. And let's just paste it here. So you need to make sure that you are not in the agent mode. Just make sure in the Google Flow, just click on this agent mode and it will turn it off. We are going to make sure that we have 9:16 and Nano Banana 2 images here. Let's just click on generate. Let's just go for the second one as well. Let's just do Control C. Let's just paste Control V and let's just generate it here as well. And we are going to do the third image as well. And you can see this is the extra thing that you can add to get some really good quality. So I am going to teach these things in the filmmaking AI mastery series in the third video, where we are going to learn how you can do the JSON prompt. And let's just wait it to get finished. So I will be back once all the three images are generated. All the three images are now generated. You can see this as well. So this is our Taj Mahal image. You can see here. This is the second one. This is the third one of the Mumbai. You can see the new Lincoln Bridge as well. You can see this is our futuristic city. So you can actually see India 2050 Geo Mobility, and you can see Namaste 2050. So let's just choose this and we are going to animate this. So just go back here, just click here and click on animate and you can animate it directly. Again, I'm using Google Flow. So if you are a pro customer, just search for Google Flow and you are good to go. Now here we need to make sure that we are into video and frames here, and we are going to have only one output and just for 8 seconds because I want to save the credits. You can go for 10 seconds as well. So let's just do 10 seconds. And I have this prompt library with me, which I'm going to again provide, and the link will be in the description. So now let's just copy one prompt from this and we can just look how it is going to look. So I'm liking this overhead dive in first person FPV drone flight. Camera drops vertically at high speed. So let's just copy this, Control C. Let's just right click and copy here. And we are again going to go to our Google Flow and let's just select one image. I am liking this image a lot. So I'm going to select this one and let's just make sure that we click on animate here. So let's just animate this first, then we are going to do this one. Okay, so let's just do this one first and let's just click here and let's just click on animate and let's just paste it here. And as you guys can see, we are doing 10-second video and let's just click on play here and this has started. Now let's just click on this and click on animate and let's just animate this as well. So let's just do tunnel punch through, opening a corridor in the scene, punches through it. Okay, so this is looking nice actually. Let's just do Control C. Okay, or right click and copy here and let's just click here. Okay, yeah, I think this we can use. So let's just paste the prompt here as well. And let's just click on generate and let's just select the third one. I think this is nice actually. You can see the view is really good in this one, so we can actually use this one here. So let's just click on animate and let's just give a prompt: orbit to forward, rising, accent, sprint. We can do a full 360-degree as well, you can see here. So let's just do control C, and or we can do this as well. So let's just do control C and let's just do control V. Again, I'm going to provide all this prompt in the description so you can check them out. And this is really fast, guys. One video is already done. So let's just check how it is going to look. You can see this is looking really amazing. I was not expecting this thing, but you can see this is looking really good. So you can actually short, you can see there is no distortion, is it? And this is looking nice. Let's just check the second one, which is now done. So let's just speak here. This is also looking really good. And let's just check the third one as well. So you can see how actually you can create this amazing shots here. And let's just play this as well. Okay, so this turned out quite futuristic. I didn't like this transition here. You can see this feels good, but when it goes here, you can see the transition. So what we can do, we can actually cut this in Filmora, CapCut or Premiere Pro. Then you can start from actually here. And then again here, you can see this is how it is looking. So I'm going to cut it from here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is how easy it is to create FPV drone AI shots which are going viral right now. So you can have your own photo as well, which you have clicked of any monument or anything that you want, or you can create it with the help of AI as well, which we have did here, as you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have learned something new. If you like this video, please press that like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment what you want to learn more about AI. I will see you next time. Bye bye guys. Take care.